So Lane's over here working on this new Bronco, right? And he just finished up installing the Breaker 19s. And the cool thing is this is all you see. The digital box, the communication station's hidden in the dash. So all you got is this little plug down here, right? And then you just plug your handheld into it. And that's all you got. You could change your radios and talk to different trucks. You're smoking the Bandit. You can haul so much Coors Light Banquet. That doesn't make sense. Coors Banquet. And it's just all, this is all you got. This is it. You can call for backup covertly. You know what I'm saying? Technology's great.